Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode of What's on My Plate. I'm here at the cafe और यहाँ मैं इनकी बहुत एक यमी सी सैलेड आज ट्राई करने वाली हूँ. सैलेड का नाम सुन के बोरिंग मत समझो. It has a lot of antioxidants जो इस वक्त आप सबके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. ज़रा पता करें कैलोरीज कितनी हैं और खाने से कहीं वेट गेन तो नहीं होगा. सैलेड से वेट गेन कैसे हो सकता है? बट कुछ चीज़ों का हमें ध्यान रखना है जो हमें हमारे हेल्थ एक्सपर्ट बताएंगे.
Are you looking for a healthy yet yummy salad? Then quinoa salad would be one of the best options. It provides you 130 to 150 kilocalories and 10 grams of protein per serving. Quinoa is packed with nutrients, both macro and micro. It has more protein, vitamins, and minerals compared to rice and wheat. Quinoa is gluten-free, it is high in fiber, it has low glycemic index which helps you control your sugars. It acts as a good prebiotic which is good for your gut bacteria. It can be served for your lunch or dinners. One can also serve quinoa salad post-workouts for protein. Quinoa can be paired up with greens, bell peppers, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, nuts and seeds to make it more nutritious.